Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Rahul Phate's innovation, where the concept of herbs meet modern cosmetology, where the science of cosmetology and beauty are studied at a molecular level, a product based on indigenous research. Gold Moisturizing Gel. Gold gel is a luxuriously enriched 24-karat gold leaf that is used in this special moisturizing gel. This gel improves the penetration of gold in the epidermis, stimulating the elastin collagen formation in the skin, making the skin tight and glowing. It is a micro-nourishing gel with hydrating and detoxifying properties. It is one of the excellent gel for the gold effect of hydration, glow and best quality skin. Gold gel helps to accelerate the regeneration of new cells. It also softens the fine lines and wrinkles. It also improves the blood circulation towards the skin and makes the external layer of the skin even more healthy. It also restores softness and smoothness of the skin. At the same time, helps to build glow and radiance on the skin. It is fantastic for hydrating, revitalizing and toning the skin, and also helps to reduce problems with acne, cellulite and even wrinkles. Gold gel is a unique all-purpose gel for all types of skin. Order now from the link below in the description. This is Vikrant Oberoi. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.